Alright guys, we are on our way to another car show. 'Cause guess who I have with me today?
What's up?
Yeah, so we decided we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to a car show called Turn and Burn, which is up in Brooksville. Something a little bit different we've never done, because someone has never actually seen a burnout before. So, yeah, interesting. So instead of our usual, just cars and coffee and just looking at cars and just talking about cars, let's go see some cars in action. Alright, I also want to apologize for the lack of uploads, and also it seems like I'm a little tired today. This is week 1 of probably many weeks of mandatory overtime for work. Welcome to the world of having to hit deadlines. So yeah, I'm a little off, I apologize. I'm trying to get back into content on the weekends. Yeah, I need a nap bad. Wouldn't you agree?
You've had 2 cups of coffee. You're just old.
I'm getting old, guys. Two cups and I'm still tired. I know, it's hot. I just don't...
Fall in Florida, 95 degrees. Really? Come on.
Fall? What's that? We don't get a fall. So, oh well. Let me do the cold start so we can actually get going here.
Yeah, 'cause it's hot.
It's actually a good compliment to your car when you get asked, or you put it in the car show. So yeah, I think mine over here. Here's some of the cars over in the background. Way over there. Oh well, now I have to wait in line here and pay. Excited? No? More excited than she's looking. Alright, finally made it in here. Just looking through the car show. Chevy Impala over here. So I figured you'd like something like this because you like the classics.
I do.
Let's say we can do something like that with your Galaxy, the
I don't know.
turntable little model of the car. What we got over here, we got the new C8 Corvette. What's your thoughts on that car? Yeah, you don't like the new mid-engine Corvette? I know you don't. Still, it's your first time seeing one. Everyone's going crazy over them. MR2. So you like the classic with this a little better? That's what you want?
We got the wheelies out here. We got
Full-blown race car.
don't know what this is. You need to check it out. That's what's in it.
Saying she really likes the color on this Chevelle, and I gotta say it, guys, I actually really would love a Chevelle at some point. If I'm going to get a Chevy that's not just a C10, I don't know, do I convince her maybe to the Galaxy, get a Chevelle? This could be the his and hers. I think you'd look really good in the Galaxy though. I think that's what instead we're really gonna get, but like, boy, that just looks good. The C10. Actually gotta check out this interior. I wonder if it's a stick shift. No, it's an auto. Mine preferably stick shift for me. Manual fanboy here. But we gotta do the obligatory. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra? cars over here. We got. Looks like it's a pretty popular show. Good amount of cars. See anything you like so far?
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. She's just strolling over that pink Duster. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got all sorts of things, and I guess this is probably going to continue to grow bigger and bigger. And the real complaint is, yeah, it's on grass, and someone decided to wear flip-flops.
I get eaten by clothes. My foot itches.
Yeah, if you come to this car show, if anyone's local in this area, don't wear flip-flops. Got a nice S15 over here. This is actually not something I would have expected to see way up here in the country. Oh man. It's manual. These wheels. I love this shape. It's the iconic style. And there's a whole generation of people who grew up seeing this shape, never seeing it in person. It's only the second one I've ever seen in person. Here we go again. Everybody's picture. Oh my God, is that a Supra? Oh! Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra? This is the problem with my car guy friends here. Two friends showed up, by the way.
Red with the tan top, tan interior. This is beautiful.
Split window, very rare.
Yep, 1 year old.
4-speed.
This is a pretty car.
Thank you.
Very nice, man. As you can tell, I'm a Mustang guy, but boy, do I love
Is it a Z06?
Corvettes like this.
Yeah. Thanks. What's that?
Is it a Z06, a big brake car? Or?
No.
Come on, it's still nice. Really freaking nice.
bit scary. I know. And it's like, it never sounds right on camera. It always sounds like, you know, pop, pop. It's really like bang, bang. It's like gunshots in person.
No, that was definitely cool.
Now she's having fun.
Oh my god.
that Corvette off. Just get the tow truck real quick.
He's pushing 1,000 horsepower and a few things here and there as far as miles. That was impressive. I don't think I've ever seen a pickup truck that high.
having to have all these because everybody needed it right now because that was a lot of just dust and tire smoke.
That was fucking awesome.
I think that's it. That's got to be the winner right now. If that guy in the van doesn't win that.
That guy should totally win. That was better.
Send me everything, sir. No way.
America.
It's going on YouTube.
Oh, is it?
I'm gonna have to send you the link to that just to watch that again.
Oh, yeah.
America.
That was America for you.
That just made the day.
Where's Cletus? We need Cletus.
Aside from
Actually, didn't Cletus build the burnout van?
Maybe that's him.
aside from me being a godparent today,
Cletus, where you at?
that's the second best thing that's happened today.
That was awesome.
That's fucking impressive.
Just a little damage here from that wall tap. I mean, it's really just an old Chevy van, so it's like whatever. I'm sure they probably don't care. I mean, wear it as a badge of honor now.
That was impressive.
Got the Camaro that was there, that Mustang, all the different burnout cars, these side pipes. Stand corrected. We looked at it earlier. We weren't filming, but it was definitely. It's definitely not a stock Chevy van under the hood. Definitely not stock. Guys over here laughing. Like, yeah, it's not stock.
No.
Unless you believe them when they say it's stock.
No, it's not.
Not quite. Let me see what's in the
Take a
back
look
here.
around. Fuel cell, battery, on alcohol.
Oh, okay. So this really was a serious build.
Yeah, no, it wasn't a 5-second thing.
This would be awesome. Need this as a work van now. Need that. Easily our personal favorite right here for who should win that burnout competition.
Yeah, this van definitely should win.
This van, I think of all of them, and none of them were any less impressive, but just to see that in a work van, definitely should win
The
it.
fact that we had to put masks on because of the smoke.
Yep, that's a new one. Luckily, we even have masks. That's
The van and everything.
In all her glory.
they were saying. Here's what's left of the tire after a good burnout. There's not a whole lot of tire left. I mean,
Hey, not at all. Wrap it before you tap.
right? Very interesting here. Get a shot of the interior. See that? See that Hirsch shifter under the hood here. A big block Chevy under the hood, so not just a stock motor anymore. Right, a place called. You can see that place called Turnpikes. So we're gonna get some grub here, waiting on my friend with his Corvette. Gotta tell him that, you know, the mighty 5.0, they got some sand on the front end, is faster than the Corvette. So we're gonna go inside and get a table.
Times.
Yeah, only lost only a couple times. Shh. Yeah, we're waiting for him to get in here. We're gonna go inside, get a table, so when they show up, we'll be good to go. I was gonna say it. We're just gonna go ahead and get a Philly, because that sounds really good.
You like heart attacks on the plate? This is the perfect place for you.
This place, and just the food already looks good. Everything I've seen come out of that kitchen. What do you think? All sounds good? Yeah, it's like we're not even hungry enough to eat one by ourselves, so it's like we're just gonna split one, go from there. Unlock the door on this side for her. Don't feel like getting my keys out, so the door's unlocked. Oh, yeah, it looks like it started to rain here a little bit. Hop into my side. I'm so glad I washed the car last night. Oh, I was hoping it would stay relatively clean. Hey.
Phew, we stink.
Oh, yes.
Sweaty butt.
We are all nice and dirty from the tire smoke.
I washed most of it off my arm, but I still feel like I have half the tire.
I got it all over my. Yeah, I'm telling you about it. Just got a whole tire in between there right now. So anyway, yeah, I'm dirty. Feel on my face. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about that video. You don't think we should go back to that event? Because she had a lot of fun, and I was actually kind of worried that she wasn't gonna like it. But believe me, I'm actually very glad. The smells, the sound, you enjoyed it a lot more than I thought. So definitely, she's gonna have begged me to go back, so I was happy with that. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of that. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because definitely we're going back there. We want to go back to events like that. Start doing something a little different. It's 2020, don't cough. Don't want to think you have it, you know, the disease. So, anyway, take care. Have a good night.